Okay. So hello and good afternoon to all of you. So may I have your attention, please? Yeah. So my name is Safwan. We're from Team Ed. So this is my member, which is Edwin, Shafika, and also Adila. So our title today is a heat converter. We know that heater, we convert electricity to heater, and now we're gonna put the other way around, just to get the source of heat to change it into electricity, right? Okay. The problem is now, our problem is, no, actually your problem. When you become a camper, you like to get like some source of electric supply, and when you go for camping, you don't have the kind of source, right? Like, for example, you have your cell phone and you're suddenly running out of your battery. And in this case, he needed to call his girlfriend, and then he's got an idea. What is it, right? He just starting to light up fire, and he takes this what you call it, heat converter out from his bag, and you just have to put it beside the campfire. And then how does it work? You can see here, we're making a demonstration of it. This is just a sample model. So how do we know that it's actually working, right? So we have a temperature difference, which is the inside part is the heated part, and the outside part is room temperature. And from that, we have like temperature difference. From temperature difference, we get potential difference, and that creates current flowing inside this electric circuit. So yeah, it's currently being set up. As you can see here, so it's actually.
Not working at all.
Okay, it reads 13.1 millivolt. So that proves that it's actually working. So our thing is not going to be like this. It's going to be that thing over there. Yeah, it's not too bulky like this because this is a prototype to show that the heat converter works whenever you have a source of heat. And that thing is actually inclusive of steel and also copper, right? And then it's gonna be like, in a lot of layers. So that's how it's gonna be compact. Yeah. It also has got a built-in battery charger. You just have to put your battery in, and your battery will be used for like a torchlight, a small radio, a small digital device, and also cell phone. And not to forget, there's a USB port over there. Okay. Picture. And yeah, we're open for a Q&A session now.
So supposing I have a campfire and I run it for an hour or two, what can I charge with that?
This actually okay, what can you produce from this device? Yeah, it's ready to set up. The maximum can you produce 2 to 3 watts, which is enough for you to charge a smaller digital device, such as like a cell phone charger, a battery charger, which is only like 3 volts of usage. You can't fully charge your cell phones in 2 hours, but that's enough in case of emergency, like you're in forest or in jungle, right? You're doing camping, right? That's more than enough actually. So you're not gonna bring your generator with you when you go for camping, right? So yeah.
And just to add, to produce the 2 to 4 watts, we can just burn just about 46 grams of wood.
I have a suggestion. I think there should be fire starter attached to this stuff. So like a tint or a flint or something like that. So,
can you
I
go
mean,
back?
all of us can start fires.
This is how the final prototype is going to look like. So what is here is, this is a metal plate. When you make your fire, you just put it by the fire. This plate captures the heat.
Right. What I meant was there's a fire, like a matchstick or flint attached to that thing.
Yeah, but the aim is not really to light the fire, it's just to capture the heat and produce electricity.
You have to make a fire first, right?
Yes.
It's a go kit. You have the fire starter, and then you make the fire, and then you charge it, right? It's a suggestion.
So actually, the purpose of this device is actually to to utilize the excessive heat that we got from our everyday life. Like not only for campfire, like you have your laptop, right? You got excessive heat from there, and you have sunlight, and like if you're like heavy user of cell phones, smartphones, right? You're gonna be needing like you have to charge a phone like 24 hours per day. I mean like you go outside, you go for like picnicking or something, and so yeah, it's gonna be a useful device for all of us. Thank you very much.